All right, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 1. All right, so we're going to use the graphing calculator and type in this quadratic function. And for part A, we're going to sketch the graph, and part B, we're going to find all zeros of that quadratic function. All right, so let's do that. All right, so bring out the calculator. All right, so let's type in the function here. So it's 6 times x squared and minus x and minus 2. All right, hit enter. All right, then we're gonna specify the window size. So x min is -2, x max is 2, and y min is -3, and y max is +3. So I'm gonna go to window, and I actually did it before, so it's actually set to -2 to 2 and a -3 to 3. So we're gonna just go ahead and sketch the graph. All right, so we're done with part A. So we could sketch the graph of this quadratic function, and then we're gonna find all zeros, right? So we can do a second trace. So that's calculate maybe. All right, so option number 2. So find zeros. All right, so well, obviously there are 2 zeros here and there. So I'm gonna try to find this one first. So first you're gonna move the cursor to the left of the 0 that you're trying to find. So hit enter, and then we're going to go to the right of the 0 you want to find, and I'm just going to, so for the third choice, we try to get as close as you can. Then hit enter. All right, so 0 came out to be x equals -0.5, and then we want to turn that into fractions. So obviously it's going to be -1/2, but what we can do is we can get out of this mode, so quit, and then we're going to bring out the answer, right? Then go to math, and then fraction. So all right, so take the previous answer and turn it into fraction. So hit enter. All right, so we have -1/2. So that's the first 0. All right, let's do the other 0. So we're going to go back to the graph, and then we're going to do a second trace again, and then 0. All right, so now we're going to go to just to the left of the other 0. So I'll just probably stop right there. All right, then go to the right of the 0, and then go back a little bit to take a guess. All right, so we found the other 0. Then we can just get out, and then second, and this minus sign, negative sign, it gives you the answer, and then hit math and choose 1 to turn into a fraction. All right, so the other 0 is +2/3. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.